Hi guys, so I'm back with another video, and in this video I'll be telling you how to cover your eyebrows. Before moving to the video, welcome back to my channel guys. Hi, my name is Priyanka Pawar, and if you're new here, do consider subscribing. So guys, now I'll take a spoolie and a hair wax and will start brushing my brow hair with the help of a spoolie. Now I'll pick some wax and will start brushing my brow hair upwards, and I have to make sure that all the hairs stick properly. Guys, this wax really sticks my hair very nicely and I use it every time. So now I'll be picking this orange color corrector and will start applying on the hair, because the hair of the brows are actually very dark, so we really need to color correct them before applying foundation. So this is what I'm doing now. Now I'll pick a loose powder which is matching exactly my foundation tone and will start applying over the corrector. So guys, now I'll take this cream foundation. You can also take a stick foundation if you guys want, and we'll start applying it all over the color correcting part, all over my eyebrows, and we'll do it very neatly. So guys, now I'll pick the same loose powder and we'll start applying the loose powder with the help of a beauty blender, because it gives more coverage and will cover it very nicely. So guys, we are at the end of the tutorial, and this is how neatly you can hide your brows and do any creativity further. So guys, if you find the video useful, do like it, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for all the latest updates. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.